Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today I want to talk about raffia. If you buy it, it may come in a hank, it may come in a bag, but it's all neat and tidy. But how quickly it can turn into this big mess. How to organize it? It's easy. If you get flowers in buckets with the holes, it's a perfect container. Just take your raffia, set it in, capturing all the ends, and then put the lid on, snap it in place, and then you can just pull the raffia straight out. Easy. If you don't have that type of bucket, a box with a lid, cut a hole, then just take your raffia, set it in, again pulling all the bits into place, and then all you need to do is pull through as you need it. Now you know an easy way to organize your raffia.